6:50 in the morning. I'm here at Hotel Alpinist and Hotel Malyovitsa at Mecha Poljana. This is the region, or translated it means bare meadows. And from here, Peter from Guitar Travels is gonna show you how to get to one of the most beautiful and most visited mountain peaks in Bulgaria. This is Peak Malyovitsa. Behind me there is a bus stop, so some private companies offer shuttle buses from Sofia to here. There is public transportation, but I'm not sure if it's like literally working regularly, like especially on the weekdays. But anyway, I spent the night over there at this little lodge named Chinatown. It's okay. I've had nice sleep, and now I can wake up early and start the climb to that beauty. This is Peak Malyovitsa. The climb is straightforward. We're gonna climb on the in the valley of the peak Malyovitsa, and first we're gonna go by the hut Malyovitsa. This is one of the most, probably this is the most important valleys for the Bulgarian mountaineering and alpinism. Here, this Hotel Alpinist behind me, until a year ago, used to be the Central Mountaineering School, the place where the future alpinists and rock climbers used to study, but now it's a private property of a big businessman, and it's a private hotel. Anyway, from here on, at sunrise, we're gonna take it over the official route. Let's go. I'm located at 1,700 meters of elevation, which means that I have about a vertical kilometer to the peak. So it's gonna be a nice climb. I purposely slept at the little lodge here instead of the hut that is above me, because first I did 2 vlogs yesterday, 2 different treks, and second, here I left most of my belongings that I don't need, like clothes, extra clothes and stuff, because I'm here in the mountains for 10 days in a row, recording different climbs and routes for you guys. Anyway, a vertical kilometer up and down. It's gonna be a straightforward linear marsh route, route. So let's hit it up. Here the path divides but reunites after a couple of 100 meters, so don't worry. Either way is good. You can see there is a blue mark here and there. The official way of marking the paths in Bulgaria, I have shared many times in my previous vlogs, but anyway, is white stripe, color stripe, and then again white stripe. That's a official mark of the tourist paths in the Bulgarian mountains. The color could be red, yellow, green or blue. Here we can see the blue mark here and there. This sign says that the valley has a high risk of avalanches during the winter. Here we come to do some climbing and alpinism. Many people come to do like skiing, free ride, and yeah, it is packed with snow usually, and there is high chance of avalanches. You'll see why. It's like all the peaks around the valley are like very steep. Drinking water, there are two places with very nice fresh drinking water on the way to the hut, and there is drinking water at the hut too. Above the hut there are just a few streams. I usually just refill my water bottle at the hut, and that's enough for the climb up and down. Here the left lane feels so much easier to walk. Oh, there is too much rocks. So now we are gonna cross the river Malyovitsa. Just like the peak, the river, the hut, the hotel, everything in this valley is named after the peak Malyovitsa, and there's the river. Over there, this is the second place with very nice fresh water before the hut. If you need to refill your water bottle, that's a nice place. So this is peak Malyovitsa. It's gorgeous. So this in front of me is Hut Malyovitsa. The building that we see is the old hut, but behind it is the new one. And right now this is one of my most favorite huts. It's clean. They have bathroom with hot water. They have electricity in the rooms. They offer nice food. Delicious. They open the kitchen at 7 AM. So if you have the time, I strongly recommend coming to Hut Malyovitsa for the night, and then start early the hike to the peak. For me, this is the best way to visit the peak, because you're gonna go before the crowds. Keep in mind that today is Monday. I purposely record this video on Monday, so right now it's just me on the path. There was just, when I was leaving the Chinatown lodge, there was just one car that just parked with a few hikers. Anyway, since the start at Hotel Malyovitsa or Hotel Alpinist, It's been 41 minutes to here. The distance is 2 kilometers and 700 meters, and I've climbed 300 vertical meters. Not bad for 40 minutes for breakfast. I've made my expedition meal for early breakfast, but I would love to get a coffee here, so I'll take 15 minutes break at the hut. But first, let's get there. I'm gonna go get me a coffee with milk.